Hello guys, welcome. So today's video we are going to be looking at this boom and crash scalping strategy, and of course this strategy is very effective. Okay, so stick around, make sure you watch this video today because I'm going to show you guys how the strategy works and the settings for the strategy. And if you're a trader or you want to become a forex trader, or you have already into a forex trader, you need to trade with the best broker, and I'm going to leave a link in the description below so you can join the broker that I personally use. And this broker, if you sign up with them, you are going to get a $20 deposit bonus. So which means that if you have no capital to trade, so you can just trade with that no $30 deposit bonus. Okay, so link in the description so you can join the broker if you interested. Okay, so let's begin with the strategy. So the first thing we are going to be doing is showing you guys settings for the strategy, then we dive into how the strategy works. So the first thing we have to do is to click on this icon you are seeing at the top. Okay, so I click on this icon. This is where we are going to be adding the first indicator, the all the indicator up. So when you click on it, you are going to be directed to this area. So the first indicator we are going to be adding is going to be the moving average. And how do we add this up? We click on this Mentorship plus, we search for moving average, and this is the parameters. Now the period is 9, shift is 1, method is exponential, apply to close. For the left side, use any color of your choice and click on save. So that is the first indicator we are going to be using for this strategy. Now moving on to the next indicator, which is also going to be the moving average. How do we add this up again? We search for we click on this F icon, we search for moving average, and these are the parameters. Now the period is 98, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to lows, and for the style, use any color of your choice and click on save. So that is the main chart indicators. Okay, so let's now set the indicator in the one up. So how do we add this up? How do we add this RSI up into our indicator window one? So we just have to click on this main chart F plus again. We search for RSI, and these are the parameters. Now the period, the parameters we don't really need it. What we need is the levels, and we only need the 15 and the 85 levels. That is the levels that we need. So you just have to go back and click on save. Once you add the levels up, don't forget to add any style of your choice. So moving on to the last indicator, which is going to be the Bollinger Band. So how do we add this Bollinger Bands up? We click on this. This is Bollinger Bands right here. So you just have to click on this indicator window 1F plus, search for Bollinger Bands, and this is the parameters. Now the period is 4, the deviation is 0.400, shift is 1, apply to close, and the style using color of your choice. And click on save right here at the top. So that is all the indicator we need for the strategy. Okay, so let's jump into how the strategy works. Now for the zoom level, when you zoom out completely, that is the zoom level you are going to be using. Just zoom out. There's no need for zooming. Just zoom out completely. Okay, so this zoom level is going to be the zoom level we use to see a setup, which means that we use this zoom level to see a trade. After we see a setup, then you are going to be using the third zoom level for your entries. Okay, for the confirmation of your entries. So how does the strategy now works? Okay, so let's go to the recent price moves. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how the strategy works and what are the things you are expecting in this strategy. Now for your expectation based on this strategy, we are expecting to catch just 5, 10 or 20 candles and then close our positions. As simple as that. So this is how you take a trade. Now the first thing we want to look for when we come to the chart and we are looking for trades, the first thing we do is just to click on this just to look for this Bollinger Bands right here. The Bollinger Bands has to come straight to 85 levels, which is very important. You want to see the Bollinger Bands at the 85 levels of the RSI. So when it's at the 85 levels of the RSI, this is a clean and a straightforward that the price is looking for a sell. The price is want to sell. So what we are now expecting after we confirm our indicator window one, the next thing we are looking for is for the price for a candle. Let me zoom for a candle to close below this peak moving average. We also want to see that the crossover happen between the first moving average and the second moving average. Okay, so when we see the crossover and we see a candle close below the pink moving average, then we enter our trade immediately after the second candle opens. That is the candle we are going to enter our trade from without wasting any time. Once you confirm that the candle has crossed below the moving average, then you enter immediately. So that is how we take a trade based on this strategy. And you can see from this move right here, this is even up to 20 candles. So that is how we use this strategy to take trades. So let me go to crash to show you guys another live example. Okay, so this is a trade right here on crash 1000. Now when you come to the chart and you are looking for a trade, first thing you do is just to look out for your Bollinger Bands touch the 15 levels. So when we see this, then we look into our main chart by zooming out, and when we zoom out, we are looking for the candle to close above the moving average, above the purple moving average, which is this candle right here. After we see this, then the next thing we look out for is a crossover to almost between the moving average. So once we confirm these two things, then we enter right at this candle right here without wasting any time. So that's how we trade based on this strategy, and that's how the strategy works. And if you guys find this video helpful, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification, and if I post a strategy, you guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.